Okay, so I'm doing Wanted by Hunter Hayes. I'm sick, so yeah. If I sound bad, sorry. But yeah, like I don't know all the songs, so um, yeah. So here we go. You know I fall apart without you. I don't know how you do what you do. Everything that don't make sense about you. Since when I'm with you, like everything that's green, boy, I need you. But it's more than one in one mix. Put aside the math and the logic of it. I know you want it too. I wanna wrap you up, wanna kiss your lips. I wanna make you feel wanted. I wanna call you mine, wanna hold your hand forever, never let you forget. Yeah, I wanna make you feel wanted. Anyone can tell you you're pretty. You get that all the time. I know you. But your beauty's deeper than the makeup. I wanna show you what I see tonight when I wrap you up, when I kiss your lips. I wanna make you feel wanted. I wanna call you mine, wanna hold your hand forever and never let you forget it. Baby, I wanna make you feel wanted. As good as you make me feel, I wanna make you feel better. Better than your fairy tale, better than your best dreams. You're more than everything I need, all I ever wanted, all I ever want. And I just wanna wrap you up, wanna kiss your lips. I wanna make you feel wanted. And I wanna call you mine, wanna hold your hand forever and never let you forget it. Yeah, I wanna make you feel wanted.